So now let's start designing the footer section. So as you can see, we are into our WordPress dashboard. Same, go to appearances, element or header and footer, click on this and just add a new page, open into a new tab, and here we have to give the name to our pages, footer, and again type of templates is going to be footer. We want to display in our entire website, leave this as a default and just simply publish and click on edit with Elementor. So now here we have to design our footer for the portfolio website. Simply click on this plus icon and click on the sections, and first let's give a negative margin to the section so we can able to have a proper look that how we are designing. So go to this advanced sections and give a margin of 150 from the top. Just give, so it will display like this so we can able to have a proper look. So now first we have to assign a minimum height to this section. Go to advanced section, click on it, just first go to layout, and from here we have to select minimum height, and with the minimum height we're going to provide is 200. So this will look good, and column position should be middle, let it be like that. Now we have to add a color to the section, so let's go to styling, scroll it down, and from here we have to select the gradient color. So click on this, and this is the color, primary color, and we want to display as this one as a secondary color. Click on this, just do a changes in the alignment, so you can make it something like this. Yeah, this 80 looks good. And now we have to provide the shape to this section. So let's click on the shape. We want to provide a shape from the top, so select the shape type. So I want curve, click on this, and this is how it's look from bottom. I want to invert it, so I will give something like this. Let me show you what I say. So this is, and then the width I want to assign is something, let's assign a height first. So let's make it to, so let's make it to 100, maybe 100 looks good. Let's see how it's look. So 100, and let's increase it to just a bit more, little less. So as you can see, this looks good. So now we have to do some changes. So go to advanced and just click on this first, and go click on this, and just go to layouts and choose, click here and select stretch. No, let it be default middle. So simply click on here, and from here you have to select the inner sections and delete one because we need only one. And here we're going to add an image. So simply bring it here and add the image. Let's change the icon, this one. Yeah, as you can see, this icon I want to display. So let's add a text. So I just want to add, just leave right below this, make it center aligned, and I want to give 5. So here the text I want to type is simply CONTACT, contact me. Go to the styling sections, select the color. Let's go to this global and select this color. Typography, we want Poppins, POPP, Poppins, and let's make it a little bit bold. So this looks quite big. Let's make it to 6. This looks awesome. So as you can see, we are done with the section. Now we're going to provide a negative margin to the section, so this image will come up. So let me show you what I mean by that. Go to this, just select this 6 dot, come to advanced and just break and just provide negative margin. Just provide negative margin to the section. So let's click on this image and just go to styling section and change the image size a bit to, let's make it pixels. Let's increase it to make it 150. percent. Let's click on percent and just make it to 150. So let's make it to go to these sections and go to layout section. So we have provided minimum height. Okay, middle. Let's make it stretch. No, let's make it middle. Go to styling section, select this option, go to styling and just make it a little bit smaller. Go to select this portion. So we will fix this one. So now come here, just drag this inner section and just leave it right below here. So this will go up. So now what we have to do, we have to add a 3, duplicate these sections, and here we're going to display the social media icon. So what I will do, I will go back to my dashboards. So here I have built the, just open into a new tab and header section, and I'm going to copy the social icons which we have designed. So just simply copy this sections, come back to the footer section and just paste it. So we'll have the same design, but we have to do the changes in the color. So simply go to styling, and from here we have to make it, just click on this and just make it white. So we got the same styling. Now here we want to display an image which I have designed. So just drag this one and upload the logo. Select this one and just paste. So we had got the same, but as you can see there is a problem. These section is not into the same line. So just click on the 6 dot, and from here we have to set the vertical alignment to middle, so everything will be in the middle. So now what we have to do, we have to assign, let's add a top and bottom borders to this section. So click on this, go to this advanced, scroll, go to this styling sections, come this here, and from here we're going to assign a border from top and bottom. So click on this, just first make sure we are into this section. Click on this, go to advanced, and we're going to add a solid. So I want to provide from top 1, so just make it 1, bottom 1. I have to change the color to primary color, this one. So as you can see we got the bottoms from top and bottom. It's look good. Now let's simply update this section. So now here we have to display the payment system. So simply we'll go here and we'll look for icon box, this one. So simply bring it and leave it up here. So first duplicate this sections. No, let's design this part also. So first we're going to add PayP. So first we add this Apple Pay, and I'm just going to make it inline auto first. Let's change the color first. So let's make it complete white. Now it's good. I have to increase the size a bit. So let's see how it's look. So go to advanced sections and go to this positioning and make it inline auto, and just simply duplicate this section, and make it to, click on this icon and make it to horizontal, and so it will come this section. So now what we have to do, we have to assign a negative margin to this section. So click on this section and go to advanced, first break this one, and we have to assign a right negative from the right. So 40 see looks good, and we have to provide a little bit from the bottom also. So no, let's delete this part. Let's make it this one 40, and we have to give a negative margin from the bottom, so it will align in the same line. So let's make it 10. So as you can see, we got the same thing. Just take your cursor on this, copy, and just simply paste style. So as you can see, we have got a nice style. Just click on this and horizontal left, click on this. So now we got the beautiful design. Now what we have to do, we have to simply change the image icons of this section. So go to this and click on PA, type pay, and here you will find an option. So click on this and let's click on this and go to this section, and from here we're going to add simply type pay, and we're going to add this PayPal section. Maybe this one look good. So as you can see, we have beautifully designed the sections. Now let's add the copyright text. So simply come up here, and from here you have to select this, drag it and leave it up here, and we need only one. So simply we're going to delete the one column. Just simply go here and just drag this part, just simply delete it and paste your text. Just make it to middle. So as you can see, in the middle we have to change the color to white, and let's do the changes in the typography. So come here into typography, type POPP Poppins. So as you can see, it's quite big. We have to decrease the size. So let's make it 14. It would be good. So 14s look good. Just click on the sections and make it to vertical alignment to middle. So as you can see that we have designed this part successfully. If I click on this and I just try to increase this icon a bit, and if I give a negative margin to the sections, let's click on this advanced tab and just give a negative margin to this. Oh, if I have, sorry, I have given the make it, I have to break this and I have to give a negative margin from the top. So what will happen, that this is just a bit. So as you can see, this is how it's going to look. So let's have a preview that how it's look actually on our complete website. So we'll update this section, come back here. So let's go to this home page. So as you can see that this is our header, this is our like hero sections, water sections, everything is this. Right now we don't have the footer. Let me update this section and let's see how it's look. Scroll all the way down. So as you can see, we got a beautiful bottom section. So as you can see, beautiful like footer menu we have got. So you can play around with and you can add multiple things if you want to display. So this is how you can display your footer. So in the next video, I'm going to show you that how you can optimize your entire portfolio website which we have built for a mobile friendly, tablet friendly. So as you can see, it's fully compatible with the desktop, but if I just change the resolution, so let's see how it's going to look. So as you can see, these things are not looking good, so we have to do the adjustment in this fonts are not looking good. We have to do the changes in the images. So if I scroll it down, we have to do the changes in the tablet option. So we have to do a lot of changes. So let's meet in the next video where I'm going to show you that how you can just set the alignment, do the basic customization to make it user friendly and mobile friendly. So see you in the next video.